Back again, talk time with D. It's late, and I went out for a friend's birthday party today, and I had fun, and that explains why my hair is all poofy. When I definitely straightened it, but it's okay because it still looks nice. Anywho, what I wanted to come on here and talk to y'all about is stepping out of your comfort zone. I did today, and I am super proud of myself. Um, Story about me: I danced in high school. I like to dance around friends and stuff like that. Depending on who the friend is, and it tends to they have to like kind of hype me up to do so. Um, but yeah, I like to dance, but when I go out with a lot of people in like bar scenes or whatever, I tend to sit back and not join in. And that's me kind of going into a cocoon or whatever. Background info. So, I am shapely. I am. And being transparent, that is something that I had to deal with. I had to get used to my body as a young girl and being shapely. Um, you kind of shy away. You kind of want to cover yourself up. And then sometimes, like, especially around like high school days, like I started to embrace it, but you know, it was for the wrong reasons. Whatever, getting little boyfriends and stuff like that. But with that being said, I'm getting used to being in my own skin. I'm getting used to embracing my body the way it is. So today, what did I do? I got on the dance floor, and I actually danced by myself, and I didn't have to like get anybody too much to pump me up to do so. I did have one gentleman. He was like, "Go out there, go out there, have some fun," and I actually I did that time, and I got out there a couple of other times. I had originally got out there before then. It's just that he didn't see it. So technically, I did it on my own, and I had fun. I had fun doing so. Um, so advice: step out of your comfort zone. No matter what puts you in that little box, step out of your box. You are only strengthening yourself. You are seeing what you made of. You are seeing like it's so much deep down inside of us that we don't even know, and we won't even know it until we are put into certain circumstances, which sucks, but is good for us at the same time. So, step out of your comfort zone, have some fun, live your life. Don't worry, don't stress. You need all your edges. I need my edges. I need to have fun. Okay. So you have fun too. And I'm finna go to sleep. Yeah, don't. Y'all have to ignore me sometimes. But this is me. This is D. Oh, I look sleepy, don't I? And I'm rambling. Comfort zones. No more comfort zones. 2020. Okay. Step out of it. If I'm stepping out of it, you step out of it too. And I hope this wasn't all mixed up and jumbled up. Yeah, I'm on fumes. I think it's almost like 2 or 3 o'clock in the morning. But I was like, let me go ahead and put this out before I go to sleep. So I'll pat myself on the back. That was my shoulder. All right, bye y'all. Y'all have a good night. Enjoy yourselves. Keep strengthening yourselves. Keep being positive, staying positive. Pray. and pray some more after that. Okay, bye. Love y'all.